How to add follow button to your Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can add follow button to your Facebook page. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do here is open up your Facebook. So locate your Facebook app, and after you've located it, you can then open it up. After you open up your Facebook, you can then head over to your menu. So tap on the menu icon on the top right here, right below your messenger icon. After you do that, you will then need to head over to your profile. So tap on your name right below menu. Now, after you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on the three dots right here. And after you do that, you'll need to search for this option that says turn on professional mode. So search for turn on professional mode and then press on it. After you press on it, tap on turn on. And after you turn it on, you can then set this up. You can tap on next and everything. Just select everything. Let's select default, confirm this. So you can just tap on this back icon and keep on going back as well. So after you see the professional dashboard, that means that you have enabled your professional mode. And after you've enabled your professional mode, you will have the follow button automatically on your page. Now if you want to see what it looks like, tap on the three dots again. Now it's right besides advertise. After you tap on that, you will see the view as option. Tap on view as. After you tap on view as, your profile will open up and there you can see the follow button. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.